In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Prezi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your content to life with simple, effective motion that guides your audience's attention. Start by opening your Prezi in the editor. This is the workspace where you design and refine your presentation. Once you're in, look over your content and decide which moments would benefit from a little motion. Think emphasis, sequencing, or guiding the viewer from big ideas to details. Next, select the object you want to animate. You can choose text, images, shapes, or even entire frames. Click once to highlight the element. A quick tip here: animate only what helps tell your story. If everything moves, nothing stands out. So pick the pieces that mark transitions or reveal key points. With your object selected, go to the top toolbar and click Animation. This opens the Animation sidebar, which is your control center for adding and organizing effects. You'll use this panel to choose what happens, in what order, and how it unfolds during your presentation. Now choose an animation effect. Fade in makes an item appear smoothly, which is great for revealing bullet text or a supporting image without distracting from your narration. Fade out gently removes an item from view, helpful when you want to clear space or move the audience's focus. Zoom to brings the view closer to specific content, perfect for spotlighting a key detail inside a larger visual. Zoom out takes you back to the broader view, letting you reconnect that detail to the overall story. Pick the effect that best matches the moment. Fades for subtle emphasis, zooms for navigation and structure. As you add effects, you'll see them appear in the timeline on the left. This is where you manage your animations. Drag to reorder the sequence so elements appear when you need them. If something doesn't fit, remove it. You can also preview individual steps here to make sure the flow feels natural. Aim for a clear progression. Reveal, explain, then move on. Before you present, click Preview in the Animation panel to watch everything play through. Look for pacing, readability, and whether your zooms feel purposeful rather than jumpy. If a transition feels too busy or too quiet, adjust by reordering, swapping an effect, or simplifying what appears together. Small tweaks here make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. And that's it. Open your Prezi, select the right objects, add thoughtful fades and zooms, manage the sequence in the timeline, and preview until the story flows smoothly.